Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need to start by confirming essential account prerequisites. You'll check that the account is active, not under temporary limits, and that phone and email are connected and verified. Once done, review notifications and privacy to ensure follow actions aren't blocked, and look at recent strikes that could restrict follows. Make sure you log out and back in after changes to force sync. This often clears stale flags. You're setting a clean foundation before moving to deeper troubleshooting. Next, dig into app behavior and environment to find the cause. You'll update to the latest TikTok version and clear cache. This fixes many UI and sync problems. Then evaluate recent follow activity. Rapid follow/unfollow looks like automation, so pause that behavior and remove scripts or third-party tools. After that, try following the same account from a different device or Wi-Fi to isolate device or network blocking. If it works elsewhere, the issue is local, so finish by using formal support paths and a final check. You'll submit account recovery or report a problem with clear screenshots showing the error and explain what you already tried. Once submitted, wait 24 to 72 hours. Policy or rate limit lifts can take time to propagate. If nothing changes, open a new support ticket with timestamps and device details. A key troubleshooting tip: if follows remain blocked after 72 hours, remove linked third-party apps and repeat support with that evidence. TikTok often flags external tools.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.